Hi students, in mensuration, let us see some more problems. Look at that question. A conical vessel with base radius. A conical vessel with base radius. This is a vessel. A conical vessel with base radius 5 cm and height 24 cm is full of water. This water is emptied into cylindrical vessel. Cylindrical vessel. Cylindrical vessel. Cylindrical vessel. Cylindrical vessel with base radius 10 cm and then after shifting this water into this cylindrical vessel, water will rise in the cylindrical vessel, that we must find. So H we should find. Okay, that means we are making conversion. So both volumes are equal. Volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder. Then we will get H value directly. Okay, let us see the solution. What is given here for the cone? For the cone, what is given? Base radius R equal to 5 cm, height H equal to 24 cm. For cylinder, for cylindrical vessel, radius 10 cm, height we should find here. Height H equal to question mark. What are the formulae we are going to use here? First one is volume of cone. What is the volume of cone formula? 1/3 pi r square H, cubic units. Volume of cylinder, pi r square H, cubic units. So we are shifting this water into cylindrical vessel. So both volumes are equal. Here volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder. So volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square, 5 into 24 equal to pi into r square, 10 into H we should find. So pi gets cancelled. 5 ones, 5 twos, 5 ones, 5 twos. So 3 ones, 3 eights are 4 H equal to 8. H equal to 8/4. 4 twos, 2 cm. Therefore, what is the height here? Therefore, height to which water rises in cylindrical vessel is 2 cm. Therefore, rise in the height to which, therefore, height to which the water will rise. Water will rise is 2 cm. Okay, that's all the end of solution. Let us see second question. A sphere of diameter, second problem, a sphere of diameter 12 cm is dropped, a sphere of diameter 12 cm is dropped in a right circular cylindrical vessel, in a right circular cylindrical vessel partly filled with water. If the sphere is completely submerged in water, the water level in the vessel rises by 3 by 9 cm. Find the diameter of the cylindrical vessel. Find the diameter of cylindrical vessel. That is the question. Okay, look at that question. A sphere of diameter 12 cm is dropped in a right circular cylindrical vessel. For sphere, what is the radius? For sphere, what is the radius? 12 cm. Sorry, diameter 12 cm, so radius will be 6 cm, right? For sphere, diameter is given, so radius will be 6 cm. Is dropped in a right circular cylinder. For cylindrical vessel, radius r equal to question mark. Radius we should find, height h equal to 3 5 by 9 cm. 9 3s are 27 plus 5, 32 by 9 centimeters. It is raised in the water level rises by 32 by 9 cm. Okay. So what are the formula we are going to use? First one is volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, cubic units. Volume of cylinder pi r square h, right? So here clearly it is understood. It is a cylindrical vessel. Radius we should find. A sphere of diameter 12 cm is dropped in a cylindrical vessel partly filled with water. So it is somewhere up to here water is there. Okay, so suppose one sphere is dropped here So immediately this water will rise up. So how much it is rising? So H is given here. It looks like cylindrical shape only. Water level rises also. So this is 32 by 9 cm. That means volume of that sphere is equal to volume of the water level rises up. That much quantity only will rise up. Is it not? Volume of sphere is equal to volume of that water level rises up. Okay. Both quantities are equal. Let me see. So clearly volume of sphere or volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. So volume of cylinder I know pi r square h equal to, you did not write formula again, substitute the values. Pi r square means I don't know, h value 32 by 9 equal to 1 by 3rd. Pi r square means 6 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, no? 6 into 6. 4 by 3, right? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Right. Pi gets cancelled. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So r square equal to 2 into 4 into 6 into 6 into 32 by 9 will be 9 by 32. 4 1s are, 4 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So r square equal to 81. R equal to square root of 81. So square root of 81 is how much? 9. So r equal to how much? 9 cm. R means what? Radius. But they asked in the problem diameter of cylindrical vessel. Now diameter is equal to diameter d equal to 2 times of radius. Do you know this? Radius is equal to half of diameter, or diameter equal to 2 times of radius. So 2 into 9, 18 cm. Therefore diameter is equal to 18 cm. We'll see one more problem, formula based. Third problem. 150 spherical marbles. Spherical marbles, each of diameter 1.4 cm are dropped in a cylindrical vessel of diameter 7 cm containing some water. Which are completely immersed in water. Which are completely immersed in water. Find the rise in the level of water in the vessel. Find the rise in the level of water in the vessel. Similar question. Okay. See, cylindrical vessel is there. Radius 3.5 cm, diameter 7, radius 3.5 cm. Okay, so it has got some level of water here. Some water is there. Then in this 150 spherical marbles are dropped. 150 spherical marbles are dropped. Immediately, what happens? Water level will rise up. What is the rise in the level of water? H we should find there. It looks like a cylinder. Just before we did one problem. Total volume of this spherical marbles is equal to volume of the cylinder. So, two formulas we are going to use here. First one is, two formulas we are going to use, volume of sphere and volume of cylinder. So, for sphere, for spherical marble, solution for spherical marble or for sphere, what is the diameter? Diameter is given d equal to 1.4 cm. So radius will be half of this, so 0.7 cm. Okay, radius will be 0.7 cm. For cylinder, what is the radius? 3.5 cm, diameter 7, so half of 7 is 3.5. Height we should find. See, the level of rising water looks like cylindrical shape only, so both volumes are equal. So formula what we are going to use? First one is volume of sphere, 4/3 pi r cube cubic units. Volume of cylinder, pi r square h cubic units. Both volumes are equal, right? So clearly I will take, how many spheres are there? 150 spherical marbles. So 150 into volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7 equal to pi r square, 3.5 into 3.5 into h. Pi cancel. So I want to find h, right? H equal to 150 into 4 by 3 into, I am bringing this side now, so 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, so 3 ones are 350s. So h equal to 50 into 4 into, this is 35 by 10, right? 10 by 35. This also 10 by 35. Reciprocal I will get. Any table? 5 tens are, 5 sevens are, right? 5 sevens are, 5 twos are. Okay, then h equal to 10 tens are 100, 100 eights are 800 upon 49. So 800 divided by 49, 49 twos, 94 it is, more 5r square h. So here I forgot something. Wait. 3 ones are 350s. So h equal to 50 into 4 into, oh, this I forgot this, 7 by 10, 7 by 10, 7 by 10, right? Into, this will be 10 by 35 into 10 by 35 if I bring this side. 7 ones are, 7 fives are, 7 ones are, 7 fives are, 0 0 cancel, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, right? So h equal to 7 twos are, 2 twos are 4, 4 sevens are 28 by 5, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. So therefore the rise in the level of water, the rise in the level of water is 5.6 centimeters. That's all, the end of solution. We will continue some more problems in the next class. Thank you.